Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray of the Shiv Sena breaking his silence on the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. He says he and his family are getting dragged into this case out of ugly politics. They have nothing to do with it. We have with us our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh Ganpati getting us that update here. Mayuresh, this is of course talk that has been in social media, a lot of it in hushed tones. There has not been anything said officially or openly regarding Aditya Thackeray, and yet this is a clarification that has come in, that their name is being dragged in. He's spoken out earlier. Another minister in the Maharashtra government's cabinet has spoken out here on this as well. To not be dragging Aditya Thackeray in this case, he has nothing to do with it.
As you pointed out that this is the first time Aditya Thackeray has broken his silence about this particular case. Yes, on social media, many people were taking his name. But if we talk about the opposition party, they were not taking any particular name. They were only referring to a young leader or young minister. That's what they were saying. But today, Aditya Thackeray had decided to break his silence, and he had issued a statement which clearly says that this is unnecessarily he and his family is getting dragged into this. He has no connection to this case. And also in this statement, he had clearly said that yes, Bollywood is a kind of a part of a Mumbai and Mumbai lifestyle. He has got many contacts or association with the Bollywood, and that is not crime to have any kind of association with the Bollywood. But to link him with this particular case is nothing but a politics, and people are playing a dirty politics by linking him or his family to it. And he clearly says that if anyone has got any kind of proof regarding this case, they should approach police. Mumbai police is already doing a thorough investigation in this entire case. Back to you.
All right, Mayuresh, thank you for getting us that update. Important breaking of silence now that has been done by the young minister Aditya Thackeray himself on this.